Good afternoon, students. Welcome to class 6 biology class. Okay. I hope all you are keeping well and obviously learn at your home. Last video we have learned, I have discussed the total fertilization process, and after fertilization what will happen I have discussed. Okay. Today I will start the fruits and the fruits layer, the parts of fruits, how to formation of fruits. Okay, all these things I will discuss in this video. First, fruits. You can see here, this is the fruit structures, different layer and the different parts of fruits. First one, the fruits. What is fruits? After fertilization, the ovary develops and to form fruits. You know, this ovary develops to form a fruit. Okay. After fertilization, some changes occurs in the ovary. Some changes occurs means the ovary. Some changes occurs in the ovary means this is the ovary begins to enlarge, swells up. Okay, and the fall to fruits, and all other whole parts of a flower wither away except ovary. And between in between ovules is present, ovules to form seed. And after that, the wall of ovary become fleshy. The oval become fleshy and changes into pericarp. This is actually what is the pericarp? Pericarp actually the fruit wall. Okay, the pericarp. You can see here the pericarp. Pericarp actually fruit wall. Okay, the wall of the ovary become fleshy and subsequent changes into pericarp. This pericarp it contains sugar. And the parts of fruits. Actually, fruits has two parts. First, the pericarp. Second, seed. In between fruits, the seed is present. And pericarp is actually this layer. This is called the pericarp. And the pericarp are also the three layers. Three layers of pericarp present in fruits. First one is the epicarp, mesocarp, and endocarp. Epicarp, mesocarp, and endocarp. First one, epicarp. Epicarp means this is the outer thin papery layer covering the fruit, which is actually discarded, not eaten. The outer layer, the papery outer covering of the layer, the outer taken fruit and outer this fruit, this layer is called the epicarp. This is not eaten. This part is epicarp. After that, this is the mesocarp. Mesocarp means actually is the fleshy portion we can eat. This is the edible part. This part is mesocarp. After that, the endocarp is present. Endocarp means the outer covering of seed. This is the endocarp, innermost hard layer of fruit enclosing the seed. This is called endocarp. Innermost portion you can see here. This portion, this part is actually endocarp. Outer covering of seed. Okay, not seed. Seed is defined by pericarp and seed, two parts of fruit. The first I am telling you the different layers of epicarp. The different layer of pericarp, epicarp, mesocarp, and endocarp. Okay, I hope it's clear. You can see here. And first outer covering is epicarp. After that, mesocarp is present, which we eat. And after that, endocarp is present. Endo means inner side. This is the endocarp. Okay. And sometimes in certain fruits such as grapes, tomato, pericarp is not differentiated into three layers. Instead of layers are fused together. Some certain fruits, grapes, tomatoes, or other also this is the not differentiated into three distinct layers. They all are the fused together. Okay. I hope this is the clear. Actually, fruit structure and the fruit parts. Different parts of fruits. There is different parts, the pericarp and seed. And seed, the ovary develop to form fruit and ovule to form seed. And the types of fruits, there are the two types of fruit, dry and fleshy fruit. Dry and fleshy. What is the dry fruit? Dry fruit actually is the outer covering. The fruit become dry at maturity. The cashew nut, peanut, all are the dry fruits. Okay, the outer covering become the maturity become dry. This is called dry fruits. And the fleshy fruits. Fleshy fruits means orange, mango, grapes. The fruits are become soft and fleshy at maturity. This is actually fleshy fruits. Okay, this is a dry fruit. Fruits also two types: dry fruits and fleshy fruit. I hope it is clear. You be at home. Okay, thank you.